What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on LCID stock.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on.
And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. And I will show you why we have this movement to the upside that broke this resistance and made about 11% of potential profits. Then I will continue with the fundamental news, and I have to say that we have a lot of bullish news directly related to Lucid. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you one trick how you can find the precise entry point for this asset. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this point when we had first attempt to break this range of resistance at $13.2, and I've told you that it is too early to make any assumption with the potential trend reversal, because with this breakout we didn't have enough volume to confirm this movement. And as you can see, we went a bit lower. Didn't break the previous swing low, and with the increase in volume we broke this resistance to the upside and pretty much hit the 200 exponential moving average on 2 hours time frame. And right now we have a reaction from this range, and in my technical analysis I will show you how you can find the precise entry point for this asset and how you can benefit from it. But for now, let's continue with the fundamental news. What was the reason of this spike in its price? Definitely it is the press release section and a bunch of very bullish news related to Lucid activity. And let's start one by one. First of all, this one, Lucid announces opening of its first Middle East studio in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. And in my opinion, this is one of the major catalysts for this movement. And let me quote you the Peter Rawlinson comment. The launch of our first studio in the Middle East marks yet another step towards Lucid's mission to inspire the adoption of sustainable energy on a global scale. And I am delighted this brand new studio is set to open here in Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia recognizes the seismic transition toward automobile electrification, and it looks to the future to secure a better world for generations to come with Saudi Vision 2030. And definitely this is the huge step for this company, because it is the first time when they opened their studio outside the United States. And definitely it is the first step to make an empire in the Middle East, because they are about to sell up to 100,000 vehicles to Saudi Arabia government, and they are about to open their new plant in a matter of next couple of years. Next news that Lucid promotes Faisal Sultan to Vice President, Managing Director of Lucid Middle East, as it opens its first studio in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. And I have to say that this person is not the new one for Lucid. He joined Lucid in 2019 and has since spearheaded major initiatives for the company in the region, including guiding the factory construction contract in Saudi Arabia, developing sales and service plans, negotiating the purchase of a fleet of up to 100,000 vehicles by the government of Saudi Arabia over a 10-year period, and so on and so forth. So definitely this person already made a lot for Lucid on the Middle East, and right now he is in charge and he is reporting directly to Peter Rawlinson, and in my opinion it is a very good enhancement of its structure. Next one. Lucid Middle East announces signing of MOU with the Human Resource Development Fund in Saudi Arabia. MOU is a Memorandum of Understanding, and it is very important for the further development of Middle East expansion, because it gives new opportunities for Lucid to hire people and to teach them on the very high level to meet all the requirements of the emerging market. And last but not the least, Lucid enhances ownership experience with official line of Lucid vehicle accessories designed and created for Lucid Air. And here you can find a lot of new accessories, but the main part of this news is right here. New accessories include Lucid's first at-home charging station, expanded storage solutions, and all-weather products. And this home charging station is the crucial part for Lucid, because the same product we can see on Tesla's lineup, and definitely it improves its fundamentals, and Lucid is following Tesla on this path. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, as I already mentioned, we have very good volume with this breakout above this range of resistance, and we already formed higher lows and higher highs. And I've told you that when we can see this type of price action, you can start to accumulate your position. But how you can define where to start the accumulation itself? Let me show you the indicators. Right here on 2 hours time frame, we can see that RSI is moving higher and higher, and the price action, I have to say, doesn't follow to the upside at the same pace as RSI does. And if you take a closer look on this action, you can see that probably we have something like this. We have the channel, and right here the RSI bounced off the upper resistance of this channel, upper border of this channel, and right now we are about to hit the lower range, the lower border, and it might be the range of support. And definitely when the RSI is moving south, the price is also moving down. And if we will see the bounce from this border, definitely somewhere at the ranges of about $13, we might have the trend reversal. And how we can find this range? Definitely we still have this yellow line at $13.2 as the range of support, because everything that was the resistance becomes a support and vice versa. And from $13, from the round number to $13.2, we might have this range as the range of support. And when this asset will go lower, and in my opinion the next leg will be to the downside, at these ranges of about $13 to $13.2, you can start to accumulate your position, and your stop loss should be, let me show it to you, should be slightly below first of all this bottom, and it implies about 6.5% of downside potential, and the second range of support should be at $9.89, and your stop loss should be slightly below this range at about $10 of potential losses. But the upside potential for this movement might be quite high. It is about 18.96% to the previous range of resistance, and it implies about 3-to-1 risk to reward ratio. But we have a lot of swing highs to break, and each and every swing high might bring us more and more potential profits. And definitely this is quite good setup, because in general Lucid is quite strong fundamentally right now, and I have to say that nothing is guaranteed in trading. That's why you have to be cautious and put stop loss with any of your positions. But so far so good, and if you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye.
I got the cash in the bag, stay